Okay. Hello Aditya, how are you?
All good. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine. So all set to go now?
All done.
All done, all preparation done now?
Yeah, all preparation done. All everything, packing and all, everything is done now.
Okay. That's good. So this video is regarding a testimonial, just so that we can get your experience, what you have experienced with us throughout. So first of all, can you just show your visa?
Yeah, obviously, of course. Just a minute. Give me a minute. I'll show you. So here is the visa I've got of the United States of America. You see it? Is it visible?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So congratulations for that, first of all.
Thank you very much. It's all because of you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for that. So Aditya, as you belong to Thane in Maharashtra, so आपको कोई difficulty हुई? First of all, आप अपनी academic profile share करेंगे? क्या आपकी academic profile रही है और किस course के लिए आप जा रहे हैं?
Academic profile तो ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं था. It was like very average. It was like quite average. I was not that a bright child or something. I just scored like around 60%, 55-60% in my overall 10th, 12th and bachelor's degree. But उसमें कैसा हुआ कि I was really eager to go, and fortunately I met a consultant agent like you, like Aster Foundation, Aster Consultancy, and from that my journey got very much easier. मतलब बहुत आसान हुआ मेरे को because of your with the help of your guidance. Like it was like everything went well, to be honest. So yeah, that was the scenario overall.
Okay, so the main issue, I think you had a doubt that you had 33, 34 backlogs in your degree. So that was the main
obviously,
you had at that time.
I had 34. Yeah. Obviously, I had. Yeah.
Yes, that was the main
34,
doubt.
35.
Yes,
that was the main doubt. Yeah.
Okay, so right now I think there's actually a lot of distance between Thane and Chandigarh. So
that there are a lot of distance.
Yes, so अभी क्या है कि काफी स्टूडेंट्स को ये होता है कि इतने डिस्टेंस में हम कंसल्टेंट ना चूज करें बिकॉज इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो एंड आपके लोकेलिटी में ही अगर हम आसपास देखें महाराष्ट्र में यू हैव मेनी कंसल्टेंट्स इन मुंबई, इन नागपुर, इन सूरत, इन गुजरात एंड वडोदरा आल्सो हु आर डीलिंग इन यूएस स्टडी वीजा. So how did you feel that connection? How did you feel that trust in us to proceed your file with us?
Like also the thing was that like I found like I used to study in Solan and all, and also I gave it a shot here in Mumbai. मतलब मैं मुंबई में भी apply किया, but like I found like Mumbai people are much of rip off. मतलब वो सिर्फ आपसे पैसे खाने का काम करते हैं. But like when I had a conversation with you, मतलब मैंने जब आपसे बात किया, so I find you to be a very legitimate person and with a legitimate work which you are offering. And so one more thing was that I used to study in Solan, so for me Chandigarh connectivity was also like quite easier. So when I searched on Google, so the ratings were also like quite good, मतलब 4.9 वगैरह rating है आपके. तो मैं उसके basis पे like I thought that I should give it a shot, मतलब एक बार try करने में क्या जाता है. So like I tried it out and like I really got a finest experience from your consultancy and from you in this admission process. So even that is there. So like it's not about you know like distance and all. If you can trust people and if they can trust you back, that's the only thing what matters. Like you have to believe in people, you know. That's what, nothing else.
Yes, absolutely. So that is actually my next question to you. Because आपकी degree complete हो गई थी and after that you went to Thane and after that we started the process. So did you face any difficulties just in the distance?
No. In the distance, I didn't feel any process because we were like properly communicating on the phone. And even you were like very responsive whenever हम लोग कॉल करने के, जब भी कॉल करने के तो आप भी responsive थे. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ कि आपने कभी कॉल नहीं उठाया, कुछ नहीं हुआ. So that is you provided a very good service to us. That's what I mean to say. मतलब उसके वजह से हमारा ये इतना सक्सेसफुल हो पाया, नहीं तो फिर पता नहीं होता कि नहीं. वो भी बात है. एंड ऑल्सो कैसा हुआ कि हम लोग जब आए आपके पास तब बहुत कम टाइम था. लाइक हम लोग बहुत लेट आए आपके पास. लाइक वी केम इन मतलब मई टाइम में आए, अप्रैल में आए शायद. तो उस टाइम पे वी स्टार्टेड द प्रोसेस एंड लाइक नाउ द प्रोसेस इज कंप्लीट. सो इवन दैट इज अ थिंग टू अप्रिशिएट. मतलब वो भी बहुत काबिले तारीफ बात है. वो एक मतलब ऐसा मेरे को लगता है, और तो कुछ नहीं. क्योंकि बाकी लोग को भी मैंने उस टाइम पे फोन किया ना, तो वो लोग बोले कि नहीं अभी आप लेट हो गए, ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया. So the people just used to keep demotivating. But like when I came to you, like you were like supportive. So that is a good thing. ऐसा बात है.
Okay, thanks a lot for
So
your kind
that's what
words.
I feel.
And
Yeah.
actually, the main thing that students actually face this issue because interview एक बहुत मेन प्रोस्पेक्ट है यूएस स्टडी वीजा का,
हाँ.
एम्बेसी इंटरव्यूज।
Right.
तो
Yes.
स्टूडेंट्स ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं कि कंसल्टेंट हमारे जो है घर के पास हो, इन द मेन सिटी,
हाँ.
ठीक है, जिसके पास हम जा सकें, वहां पर जाके फेस टू फेस प्रिपेयर कर सकें। सो डिड यू फेस एनी इशू इन द इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन, या फिर आपकी कैसी प्रिपरेशन रही, कैसा आपका इसमें एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा मतलब कैसा लगा ना कि यू प्रोवाइडेड मी विद ऑल द स्टडी मटेरियल लाइक द इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन मटेरियल एंड ऑल, मतलब जो भी आपने मेरे को इन्फॉर्मेशन और जो सब नोट्स प्रोवाइड किया ना आप लोगों ने, so because of that, on that basis only I was able to clear the interview, to be honest। मतलब जो भी नोट्स वोट्स में सब thoroughly पढ़ के गया था, like I got to know मतलब किधर क्या कैसे बात करना है, and like even you guided me in that well, like what you have to speak and what you have to say in the interview। So because of that I was able to clear it off, and that too like when I came from the consulate, like the US consulate, still I was having that, you know, like that bit scariness in me, like is it approved or is it not, but at the end of the day it was approved, you know, because I was well prepared by the notes which you gave me, because of the notes which you gave me। So yeah, वो भी बात है, मतलब ऐसा और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही आना चाहिए, बट व्हाटएवर आप जो भी बोल रहे हो वहां पे, जो भी आंसर आप वहां पे बोल रहे हो ना, यू शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट व्हाइल आंसरिंग दैट क्वेश्चन, एंड यू शुड बी क्लियर कि आपको आप क्या करने जा रहे हो और आपको क्या पर्पस है आपका। तो then it's very easy to clear the interview, and the interview really lasts, as you said, like only for a minute, not more than a minute। तो वो भी है मतलब।
And I remember कि जब आप interview दे के आए थे, at that time you informed me that many of the students who went for the interview, their visa were refused.
Yeah.
They were scared, a bit scared because of that.
Yeah. Obviously, because मेरे पीछे एक दो लड़के लोग थे और आगे भी एक दो लड़के लोग थे। तो and one more thing is that you have to मतलब मेरे आगे एक मेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, कि एक मेरे आगे लड़का था जब मैं यूएस कॉन्सुलेट के अंदर गया, और वहाँ पे कैसा वो मैम, मतलब द यूएस एम्बेसीज पीपल वर सिटिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, लाइक दे आर इंटरव्यूइंग another interviewee, okay, मतलब another candidate, और I was third in the line, and मेरे आगे एक लड़का था, तो वो he was like giving me all those, मतलब इशारे कर रहा था कि that the lady is very this and that, ऐसे इशारे कर रहा था कि मतलब she is very strict and all, and the lady saw that, मतलब वो lady ने देखा कि ऐसे सब इशारे कर, he's balanced when presenting yourself over there, सिर्फ वो नहीं होता है, how you are there in the consulate, even that things matter। तो लोगों का ऐसा भी हुआ, लाइक खुद की गलती, मतलब खुद की फालतू गलतियों की वजह से भी उनका रिजेक्ट हुआ। अच्छा, मैंने लाइव एग्जांपल देखा वहां पे, दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई सॉ इट इन माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ हैपनिंग। तो वो भी एक बात था, मतलब सो लाइक यू हैव टू बी जस्ट बी अ बिट कॉशियस अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डिलीवरिंग, नथिंग एल्स। Rest all is like rest all goes well then।
Yes, so अच्छा हुआ it had gone well, and
yeah.
So how have been the post visa services? क्या होता है कि हमने बहुत से स्टूडेंट से ये भी सुना है कि वीजा आने के बाद जो है कंसल्टेंट जो है आगे के लिए गाइडेंस नहीं देते हैं। कैन यू हियर मी?
Arbit, can you please
should I repeat the question?
Can you please repeat the question?
Yes.
Yeah, please repeat the question. Actually, my internet was like not working. There was some glitch. Yeah.
Okay. एक्चुअली काफी स्टूडेंट से ये भी फीडबैक मिलता है कि वीजा आ गया, वीजा आने के बाद भी आगे बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं, यू हैव टू रजिस्टर फॉर ओरिएंटेशन एंड आज के जो कोविड का इशू चल रहा है उसमें भी बहुत सी फॉर्मेलिटीज होती हैं ट्रेवल की एंड फॉर दैट एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स। सो उसमें भी स्टूडेंट को काफी ज्यादा एक असिस्टेंस की कह सकते हैं जरूरत होती है, बट मेनी ऑफ द कंसल्टेंट्स डोंट प्रोवाइड दैट। सो हाउ हैव बीन द पोस्ट वीजा सर्विसेज टिल नाउ?
Post visa services have been absolutely perfect and absolutely fantastic according to my experiences, because the way you have like coordinated with us, with me and with my family in this scenario, in this on this topic, it's been like really outstanding। मतलब ऐसा मेरे को किधर अगर मैं बाहर जाता तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं सब मिलता कि नहीं, this kind of experience, but like from you I've really got like a genuine and a legitimate experience, like how a consultant really should be। I've got to know now, क्योंकि मैं भी पहले गया एक कंसल्टेंट के पास, to be honest, really, like still I have, he has my 30,000 rupees with him, you know, like 45,000 he took advance from me and still he has it, to be honest, you know, this is a really honest scenario। मतलब ऐसा भी होता है First, you have to be very cautious. And like here, in Aster, I found out to be a really genuine like experience. सही में मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया experience था यार मेरे को सही में मतलब like and the post service मतलब COVID में कैसा the main thing what we have to look forward is that we are like vaccinated like in this process like because these days it's like mandatory, it has become mandatory है ना अगर आपके पास vaccination है तो and you are and when we have a guy like Arpit who is helping you then we don't have to worry. That's what I got to know. really
Thanks a lot Aditya for trusting us with your study visa application in spite of the distance. It really means a lot to us and you have trusted us throughout कि एक बहुत मेन चीज है बिकॉज आपकी एक जो ये एप्लीकेशन है दैट विल एक आपकी लाइफ आगे जो है वो कैसे सेट आउट होगी उस पर डिपेंड करता है
राइट ऑब्वियसली
through your trust and through your confidence and your mother has been communicating with me throughout the process and ये possible हुआ है and I certainly thank you for all the trust you have put in with us.
Thank you very much like because of you all this happened you know.
So any final message you want to give all the students who wish to apply for US study visa or any other country study visa and maybe they are residing in Telangana or Maharashtra? क्या होता है कि बहुत से students ऐसे होते हैं कि वो they don't prefer to go out of their state or go out of their city for an education consultant. But right now with the technology and all we have so उसमें क्या है कि all the process can be done online only जैसे कि आपका भी हुआ and but उसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स यही प्रेफर करते हैं कि आसपास ही हो जहां पर हम विजिट कर सकें एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बन जाता है कि हमारे पास में है सो डू यू वांट टू गिव एनी फाइनल मैसेज टू देम
देखिए ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर वो आपके पास में है तो वो आपका सब काम सही से कर देगा दिस इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन ओके because in the times of COVID now the technology has been more supportive than in live and practical experiences आपने देखा रहेगा लॉकडाउन था ये था वो था तब कहाँ लोग आजू बाजू वाले लोग भी एक दूसरे के पास नहीं जा सकते थे समझ रहे हो सो ऐसा नहीं रहा है अभी नहीं रहा है वो कि हाँ अगर पास में है तो सही है तो हम उधर से कर देंगे ऐसा नहीं रहा है it's the only thing like you have to trust the other person and he has to trust in you and second thing is that there should be proper communication and there should be clarity between like between the client and between the consultant if there is lot of clarity between these two मतलब आपके बीच में कुछ है मतलब सब clear है तो कुछ problem नहीं है this is what I feel and it doesn't matter where you are located and where the consultant is located but आपका सब कुछ communication proper है and काम properly हो पाएगा होता है ये मैंने notice किया और ये मैंने experience किया in this admission process so yeah this is what my scenario is and it's not about that you cannot trust who is far away from you or something like that so yeah even that is there ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मतलब this is a misconception which people have come up with but this has to be long gone now that वो ट्रेडिशनल थॉट्स रख के नहीं चलना पड़ता है थोड़ा कंटेम्पररी थॉट्स रखना पड़ता है क्योंकि बिकॉज वी आल्सो लिव इन नाउ 21st century we have like so much up to date technology and all those kind of scenarios so we have to make a great use of it and like full use of it that's what I feel क्योंकि market is like so big and there are like so many people doing this job but like in that you have to find the best and that is you that's what Aster is known for so yeah that is what
thanks a lot yes actually that there's a lot of exploitation of students in this industry I feel that. You have told me actually we haven't shared this throughout but जो अभी आपने बताया कि जैसे you had visited a consultant and he took an advance
किया था मैंने कभी he took 45k from me in advance and one more thing what I like is that you took all the money when the process was done this is like a really great thing बाकी कंसल्टेंट ऐसा होता नहीं पहले पैसे दो ये दो वो दो they just are like behind your money they are not behind the work they are not passionate about their work getting but here what I found out that is that like you are passionate about your work then money comes you know like when you are passionate about your work then the money absolutely comes behind you अभी लोग जो पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं और जिनको काम नहीं करना है तो उनके पास पैसे भी नहीं आते और काम भी नहीं होता है ऐसा होता है that's what happens वो बात है like if you are good at your work the money follows you and this is what I experienced and this is what even you do that is a great thing for all the students also it's not only about you it's for the students also it's a great thing
yes you are just paying for the work done
work done, yeah, and like the work is done perfectly fine and a perfectly well framed work. This is what I'll say. Yeah, I really got a good experience.
Okay, thank you, Aditya. Thanks a lot for your time. It was a pleasure serving you,
No
and we wish you all the
Thank you
best
very
for your
much.
future. And I'm
Thanks,
sure
thanks,
that you will
thanks.
be building a great career ahead, and you'll make your parents proud.
Yeah.
And
Thank you very
hopefully,
much.
maybe when you return back in between, or when maybe I visit US in the future, we'll be meeting them.
Yeah, obviously. How can I forget you? Obviously, we'll be meeting. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, Aditya, thanks a lot for your time.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, Aditya. Okay, goodbye.
Have a good day. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks.